So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to draw on a video here in InShot. So here's my wonderful video right here. If I wanted to add some drawing, it's fairly straightforward. Just go ahead here and select your clip and go ahead and press on text. Now once you guys are here, you can go ahead and this option right here that says doodle, go ahead and press on doodle. Now once you guys are here, you guys can select the color of what you're going to be drawing. So if I wanted to draw with, let's just say red right here, you can also select the type of brush that you're looking to add, and then you can go ahead and doodle. So if I wanted to just go ahead and draw that, maybe go ahead and draw that, whatever the case may be. You can also change the thickness or the thinness of it and the opacity. So there's my masterpiece. If you want to go ahead and erase it as well, you can press the eraser icon and just go ahead and erase it, whatever you want to do. If all looks good, go ahead, press the check mark right there. And there's my wonderful drawings. Very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can draw on a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.